Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I'll be reading a quote from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Discipline and practice is key. What is gaining mastery in your life? Everything takes discipline and practice. How does a pro ball player become a pro ball player? How does a great stockbroker become a great stockbroker? Everything takes persistent practice and discipline. Without discipline, you can't stick to anything. And without practice, you never unlock your true potential. Gaining mastery can start with the simple affirmation, I have discipline, and I will keep my eye on the prize until my desire manifests. Danny G. Thank you so much. That was amazing. Until next week, have a beautiful week, and I hope you have a beautiful day today. Thank you so much for listening.